Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from 6-string Fingerpicking. In this lesson, we're learning how to play Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Just before we get into the lesson, please be sure to give this video a quick thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you're new here, and press the notification bell so you don't miss any regular fingerstyle guitar lessons. And also let me know how you're doing in the comments and how you find the lesson. I really appreciate it. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's get into this one. The first few bars go like this. So really that's just an A chord, like this, and then to an E or an E7 chord. So I'll break it right down. I did a little walk up into it, so I just went. And all that is, if you want to do it, is the open 5th string, and then the 2nd fret on the 6th, 4th fret, sorry, open 5th string, open 6th string, and then the 2nd fret on the 6th string, and then the 4th fret. So like that, and then I'm playing A here. Okay, so that F shape A chord just pushed up to here, the 5th fret with my index finger, and then the 5th string and the 6th string are ringing open, and I've got this alternating bass going on. So on this chord here in my thumb, I'm playing the 5th string, the 4th string, the 6th string, and then back to the 4th string. So you might just want to practice that. So once we get to there, we've done our walk up, we go straight to this chord, and I'll probably play the B and the G string together with the 5th string. Okay, then the 7th fret on the 2nd string, so then it's the bass again, so it's the 4th string, and then we lift off our pinky on the 2nd string back to the 5th fret. So and then we're going to play the 3rd string with the 6th string. Okay, and then we're going to play the 4th string and the 1st string together. Okay, so all together. And then our pinky goes back on the 2nd string, 7th fret, and we play that with the 5th string. Then we lift it back off, play the 2nd string again with the 4th string. Okay, so that's, then it's a 6th string in the bass, and then the 4th string. So if you put all of that together, you've got and then after that we're on A for one more bar, and you want to play the 2nd and the 3rd string and the 5th string together, and then we're going to add our pinky back onto that 7th fret on the 2nd string, play that, and we pull it off to the 5th. And as you pull it off, once you pull off to the 5, you also want to play the 4th string at the same time. So like that. Okay, then you play the 7 again on the 2nd string. And you do the same thing, you pull it off to the 5th, but this time you play the 6th string in the bass. So it's like, okay. Bit tricky that, but once you get to there, after that play the 1st, 2nd and 4th string together. So okay, so just the A. That then goes down to an E7 chord. And here I'm playing the E7 chord like this. So it's the 4th fret on the top string, then the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, the 4th fret on the 3rd string, and then the 2nd fret on the 4th string and the 5th string, and then open 6. So that's your E7 chord, and your thumb is alternating. It's playing string 6, 4, 5, 4. So we've come out of here, and that's your next move. So you hold that chord down, and there I played the first string and the second string and the sixth string together. And then we just alternate our thumb. 4th string, 5th string, 4th string. And then from there, open up the first string. Okay, because you've got... Okay, so you've got that. So you want to lift up your index finger, take off your pinky and open up that first string, and there you want to play the second and the sixth string together, and then the first string, then you're going to play the 4th string, which is still the 2nd fret, and then the 2nd string, which is still the 3rd fret. Okay, so and then you're going to play the 3rd and the 5th string together. Alright, so it's quite tricky. But then basically add that pinky back on, so you're back to your original E7 shaped chord, and play strings 1, 2 and 4. So you've gone. So far on your E7. Okay, and then bar the 2nd fret with your index finger, take your pinky off that 4th fret on the top string again. Okay, and then play strings 1, 2 and 6. And then again open up that top string and play that with the 2nd and the 4th string. So that's okay, and then to finish just play the 5th string and the 4th string. So you've gone okay, and then back to the beginning of the E7 chord. Okay, so now let's go right the way back to the beginning, and I'll play it through for you slowly. Okay, you're nearly there for this bit, because then you've got... before it goes round and it repeats again. What you want to do is, you can keep this bar on the 2nd fret, but you want to play the 5th fret on the 2nd string with your pinky, because we've got now, we're going to go into an A chord. So we hold that down like this and play the 2nd and the 5th string together, then the 1st string, then 2 and 4, and then the 1st string again. So then strings 2 and 5, and then strings 1 and 4. So like that. Okay, so you put all of that together from your E7. And just do your A chord there, and you can just bar just an A chord there, or you could play regular A, doesn't really matter. But an A chord and play strings 2 and 3 and 5, and then just alternate the bass. String 4, 6, 4. So it's okay. So you put all of that together, you've got then it just goes through again. Exactly the same until you get to here, because it goes. So it starts exactly the same. That's still that, barring the 2nd fret and stretching your pinky up to the 5th fret of the B string. Okay, and the same as before, so you play strings 2 and 6, then 1, and then 2 and 4, and then 1. And then 2 and 5. So it's exactly the same as before. But instead of going, this time we go. So all I did there was the 5th fret on the 1st and the 3rd string together. slide up to the 7, and then that links you back to your A here. So on the A, I just played there, strings 1, 2, and 5. Okay, and that's the whole of the kind of the verse, the main section. So I'll play it all through for you one more time, slowly. And then it goes back to the start of the A. Different ending. So that then goes into the bridge. And then back to the verse. But if you're watching this on YouTube and you want to learn how to play that, then follow the link through down in the description, because I'm teaching it over on my website. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And remember, I've got a whole load more Christmas fingerstyle songs on my website. And if you want to learn them, the link is in the description.